Arirang Special.
Where does life come from? In the past, the people of Jeju sought the answer to the secret of life within the greatness of nature. Eventually, they created a mythical realm. This realm was called the Flower Garden of Sochan. The Flower Garden of Sochan, a place that was created by the imagination of Jeju. Let's take a trip into this world of fantasy. Where exactly is the Flower Garden of Sochan? What kind of place is it? The Flower Garden of Sochan is a place that exists in the legends of Jeju. According to legend, the millions of flowers that bloom in the Flower Garden of Sochan are sent down to Earth to give birth to new life. The baby's life on Earth, its destiny, is determined based on the type of flower it was created from. There are more than just flowers of birth and destiny in the Flower Garden of Sochan. There are flowers that end life, and flowers that bring them back to life again. There are also flowers of weeping and flowers of laughter, and also flowers that bring justice by punishing evil. The people of Jeju believed that there was a sacred place somewhere in the western skies that was neither of this life or the afterlife. All sorts of flowers bloom there to administer everything that happened in human life.
아름다운 나라 앉아라 놓으라 아늑하고 달콤한 그 빗살을 따라 서쪽 하늘 수놓은 신비로운 나라 서쪽 꽃밭에 가자 우리를 세상에 내보낸 생명의 원천 벅차구나 동서남북 가득한 생명의 향기 이곳은 서쪽 꽃밭
But this place was not always a garden of flowers. Socheon was a vast sandy dune when one day a goddess appeared with 12 celestial fairies. She was the goddess Samsung, who blessed the human world with life. Samsung carefully planted the flower seeds with the fairies. This was how the flower garden of Socheon first began. Why did Samsung plant a garden of flowers in Socheon? The flower garden of Socheon originated from an argument between two goddesses.
무슨 일로 날 찾아온 것이냐?
하늘의 신 천지왕이시여, 제가 일찍이 인간 세상에 들어 생명을 잉태해주며 삼승으로 살았나이다. 그런데 저 명진국 딸이 갑자기 나타나 자신이 삼승이라 하니 제가 억울해서 못 살겠나이다.
얼마 전에 천지왕께서 저보고 인간 세상에 삼승이 되라 하지 않으셨습니까? 그런데 동해 용왕 따님 아기가 이미 삼승 노릇을 하고 있어 저희끼리 심히 다투었나이다. 하늘의 신 천지왕이시여, 부디 진짜 삼승을 가려주소서.
어허, 이를 어찌한단 말인가? 내 얼른 판가름하기가 어렵구나. 좋다. 내 너희들에게 꽃씨를 내어줄 것이다. 그 꽃씨를 서천모래 위에 심어 가꾸어 보도록 하여라. 100일 뒤에 내 심사하여 진짜 삼승을 구별하겠노라.
And so, these two goddesses competed with each other in growing flowers.
구경 가자 서천 모래밭에서 경쟁이 벌어지고 있단다. 인간 생명 정지하는 삼승이 둘이라서 국가국이 경쟁으로 하나를 가린단다. 동해 용왕 따님아기 명진국 따님아기 똑같은 꽃이 바다 100일 동안 가꿨단다. 하늘의 신천지왕이 심사하러 오신단다. 구경 가자 구경 가자.
해가 두 개일 수 없어 하나만 남기고 달이 두 개일 수 없어 하나만 남겼듯이 삼승이 둘일 수는 없어 하나를 뽑겠노라.
나 때문에 엉망이 됐다고 하늘을 찌른 인간들아, 내가 엉터리 삼승이 된 것은 내 탓이 아니야. 무서운 아버지 탓이야, 가여운 어머니 탓이야. 억울하고 원통한 내 마음을 안다면 바람아 팡팡 불어라, 비야 펑펑 내려라. 내 꽃 가꾸기 경쟁에서 반드시 이겨 기필코 승차지 삼승이 되고 말 테다. 측은하구나 독하고 욕심 많은 용왕 따님아기야. 우리가 다투게 된 것은 누구 탓도 아니야. 진짜 삼승 가려야 하니 공정한 시험에 든 거야. 사랑으로 가꾸자 새 생명 띄울 꽃, 바람아 솔솔 불어라, 비야 살 꽃 가꾸기 경쟁에서 최선을 다해 귀한 생명 보듬는 삼승이 되고 싶구나.
The princess of the East Sea Dragon Kingdom was the Dragon King's only daughter, but she was dismissed from the palace due to her ill behavior, so she became a malevolent goddess. All the flowers she grew were dismal. Flowers barely managed to bloom on the drooping tree branches, and even those were withering away. The princess of Myeongjin Kingdom, a nation of generals, was full of deep filial piety and intelligence, so she had been marked early on to be a Samsung goddess by Chun Ji-hwang. The flower trees that she grew were beautiful. Millions of flowers bloomed handsomely on the strong branches. At last, Chun Ji-hwang gave a new order.
나 하늘의 신 천지왕 새롭게 명하노라. 동해영왕 따님아기는 저승에 자리 잡아서 죽은 아이 영혼을 관장하는 구삼승이 되어라. 명진국 따님아기는 인간 세상을 드나들면서 새 생명을 점지하고 돌봐주는 삼승이 되어라.
As soon as his order was given, the Dragon King's daughter became furious and took out her anger on the flowers that the daughter of Myeongjin Kingdom had grown.
아니 어째서 꽃을 이리 뽑는 것이냐?
너 같으면 심술이 나지 않겠느냐? 네가 점지해준 아이가 인간 세상에 태어나 100일이 지나면 온갖 병에 걸리게 할 것이다.
그러지 마라. 아이가 태어나면 당신을 위해 풍성한 음식상을 차려줄 테니 우리 서로 좋은 마음을 가지자꾸나.
Chun Ji-hwang ordered the Samsung goddess who had won the flower growing competition to create the flower garden of Sochan. He also taught her how to create human life from the flowers. All sorts of flowers began to bloom in the garden of Sochan, created by Samsung. The people of Jeju believed that the gender and destiny of the baby was determined by the type of flower that Samsung brought the child from. Blue flowers from the east meant boys. White flowers from the west meant girls. Black flowers from the north meant the child would die young. Red flowers from the south meant a long life. Yellow flowers from the center meant that the child would have great success in life. Because Samsung blessed people with children as she went about from Sochan to the human world, the women of Jeju always prayed to her for the prosperity of the family and safety in child rearing.
새 생명을 주소서, 새 생명을 주소서. 서천 꽃밭 고운 꽃을 내려 주소서. 강한 생명 정지해 주세요. 새 생명을 주소서. 새 생명을 주소서. 서천 꽃밭 고운 꽃을 내려 주소서. 생명의 여신 삼승이시여 우리의 절실한 기원 들리시나요? 당신의 뜨거운 정성으로 가꾼 서천 꽃밭 환생꽃으로 온전한 운명 정지해 주세요. 새 생명을 주소서. 새 생명을 주소서. 서천 꽃밭 고운 꽃을 내려 주소서. 생명의 여신.
To protect the flower garden of Sochan, a place that administered the life and death, prosperity and decline of human life, as well as joy, anger, sorrow, and happiness, Samsung asked Chun Ji-wang for a Gotkamgwan, an administrator of flowers. The first administrator of flowers was young Master Sara.
좀만 더 힘을 냅시다.
At that time, he was married to Wongang Ami. Wongang Ami was pregnant when she followed her husband on a journey. But the way to the flower garden of Sochan was long and weary.
누구네 집에서 우는 닭소리인가요?
이 동네에서 가장 부자라고 소문난 자연장자 집에서 오는 닭소리라.
낭군님, 난 더 이상 못 가겠어요. 차라리 저 자연장자 집에서 종살이를 하고 있을 테니 당신만 다녀오세요.
자연장자는 고약하기로 소문이 났소. 당신이 견디기 힘들 것이오.
그래도 참고 기다리겠어요. 떠나기 전에 우리 아이 이름이나 지어주고 가세요.
아들이 태어나면 한라꿍이라고 이름 짓고, 딸이면 한라댁이라고 지어주세요.
예.
우리 꼭 다시 만납시다.
They broke a comb in half and took one half each as a token. They cried as they said goodbye, promising to be reunited one day. Many years passed. Wongang Ami was living a harsh life as a maid in the house of Jahyun Jangja. Her son, Halak Gungi, was now a young man, but her husband still had not returned. Meanwhile, Jahyun Janja continued to behave indecently towards Wongang Ami, constantly trying to seduce her. Wongang Ami and her son never had a moment's rest from the harsh work, but that at least was more bearable.
원강함이야. 이리 고생할 게 뭐냐? 내 말만 잘 들으면 널 편히 쉬게 해주마.
왜 이러십니까?
이런 고얀...
어머니, 괜찮으세요? 자연장자.
No longer able to bear Jahyun Jangja's torment, Halak Gungi set out for the flower garden of Sochon in search of his father. He crossed over many rivers and many mountains. The way to the flower garden of Sochon was far and perilous. At last, Halak Gungi finally reached Sochon and gave his father, who was now the administrator of flowers, the broken comb from his mother. They matched the comb and became deeply emotional, realizing father and son have met at last.
꿈에도 못 잊을 내 아들 한라궁이야. 머나먼 길 고생이 많았구나. 나를 찾아오던 길에 어떤 물을 건넜느냐. 한참을 걷고 걷다가 무릎에 차는 물이 있어 건넜나이다. 그것은 내 어머니 첫 번째 매질에 흘린 눈물이었다. 자연장자 고문이 시작됐구나. 그리고 또 어떤 물을 건너왔느냐. 한참을 또 걷고 걷다가 잔등이에 차는 물이 있어 건넜나이다. 그것은 내 어머니 두 번째 매질에 흘린 눈물이었다. 자연장자 고문이 심해졌구나. 그리고 또 어떤 물을 건너왔느냐. 또 한참을 걷고 걷다가 목까지 차는 물이 있어 건넜나이다. 그것은 내 어머니 세 번째 매질에 흘린 눈물이었다. 가여워라 원통해라 원강함이. 자연장자 고문의 목숨 잃고 말았구나.
Master Sara gave his son Halak Gungi the flowers that blossomed in the flower garden of Sochon.
아들아, 이것은 웃음 웃을 꽃, 싸움 싸울 꽃, 그리고 멸망악심 꽃이니라. 이 꽃들을 가지고 자연장자가 있는 곳으로 가거라. 그리고 이것은 뼈오를 꽃, 살오를 꽃, 그리고 환생꽃이니라. 이 꽃들도 가지고 꼭 너희 어머님을 모시고 오너라.
네, 아버지. 제가 자연장자와 일가 친족을 다 모아서 복수하고 어머니를 살려 다시 돌아오겠습니다.
그래.
Halak Gungi took the basket of flowers that his father had given him and returned to Jahyan Jangja's house.
한라궁이 바람처럼 달려왔네. 자연장자 일가 친족 다 모여라. 한라궁이 웃음꽃을 뿌려대니 우왕하하 뒹굴뒹굴 웃음판이 벌어졌네. 한라궁이 쌍꽃을 뿌려대니 우당탕탕 왔다갔다 뱃싸움이 벌어졌네. 한라궁이 멸망꽃을 뿌려대니 자연장자 일가 친족 죽어갔네.
And so, Halak Gungi got his revenge on Jahyan Jangja. Then he went to find his mother's body.
어머니, 불쌍한데 어머니. 자연장자에 유혹 부리시고 온갖 수모 당하시고 고생하시더니 결국 이렇게 되셨네요. 제가 서초꽃밭에서 가져온 뼈오를 꽃, 살오를 꽃, 환생꽃으로 어서 살아 일어나세요. 어머니, 이제 일어나세요. 눈 뜨세요. 어머니.
봄잠이라 올해도 잤구나.
어머니, 이제야 살아나셨네요. 저와 함께 아버지가 계신 서촌꽃밭으로 어서 가십시다.
서촌꽃밭?
Wongangami and Halak Gungi ran like the wind to the flower garden of Sochon together and reunited with Master Sara. Time passed in the flower garden of Sochon, and Halak Gungi succeeded Master Sara as the next administrator of flowers. Among the stories about the flower garden of Socheon, we cannot leave out Jachongbi, the goddess of farming. Jachongbi went through many hardships before she became the goddess of farming. She visited the flower garden of Socheon several times. This is the story of Jachongbi. Her parents had given birth to her willingly, which is what her name means. At the young age of 15, she met young Master Mun, the son of Mun Gokseong, the Emperor of Heaven, and falls in love. But their happiness is short-lived, and fate tears them apart. Jachongbi waits for young Master Mun's return. As she waits, Jung Sunam, a servant at her father's house, harasses her every minute he gets. Unable to endure the harassment and indignity any longer, Jachongbi ends up killing Jung Sunam. Her parents become furious that she killed their servant.
싫다. 꼴도 보기 싫으니 썩 나가거라. 썩 나가래도.
Although she tried to explain, she was thrown out of the house. Wandering from place to place, Jachongbi eventually hears about the flower garden of Socheon. She disguises herself as a young man and sets out in search of the garden.
가여워라 자청비 집 쫓겨난 자청비 남장하고 헤매다가 서천 꽃밭 찾는구나. 씩씩하다 자청비 지혜롭다 자청비 서천 꽃밭 망치는 구원이를 잡았구나.
On her journey, she came across an owl that had ruined the flower garden of Socheon. Disguised as a man, she uses her wits and catches it. Not knowing she was a woman, the administrator of flowers, who had been troubled by the owl, gave his youngest daughter to her as a wife and invited her to live in the garden. But in her disguise as a man, Jachongbi was on edge every single day. Meanwhile, the youngest daughter of the administrator of flowers became upset because Jachongbi would not love her.
이상도 하여라 어찌 이럴 수 있을까. 혼인후 석 달 열흘 100일 서방님 왜 한 번도 안아주지를 않을까 이 상도 하여라 어찌 저럴 수 있을까 속한 문도령 보고픈 문도령아 기약도 없이 떠난 사랑을 어찌할까 꽃감관 막내 따님 미안고 불쌍해서 나는야 남자 노릇 더 이상 못하겠네
Jachungbi decides to leave the flower garden of Socheon.
이보시오 부인. 내 과거를 앞두고 있어서 그러는 것이니 이해해 주시오. 떠나기 전에 이 서천 꽃밭에 어떤 꽃들이 있는지 구경이나 좀 시켜주시겠소?
아이고 서방님, 그렇게 깊은 뜻이 있는 줄 모르고 제가 오해하고 있었네요. 그럼 제가 서천꽃밭 꽃구경 시켜드릴게요. 이리 오세요. 이것은 살이 살아오르는 살오름 꽃이지요. 그리고 이것은 피가 살아오르는 피오름 꽃이지요. 그리고 이것은 뿌리기만 하면 죽은 사람이 되살아나는 동안새 꽃이랍니다.
The administrator's youngest daughter taught Jachungbi the secrets of each flower as she picked them for her, and Jachungbi took care to take all of them. Saying that she was going to take the state exam, she said goodbye to the administrator's family and left the garden. Carrying the bundle of flowers from the garden, Jachungbi went to the place where Jung Sunam lay dead. In order to return home where young Master Moon might come to find her, she had to bring the servant back to life. When she put the flowers from Socheon over him, Jung Sunam really did come back to life. She took Jung Sunam, now restored, back to her home.
어머니 아버지, 자식보다 더 아끼시는 정순남을 살려서 데리고 왔습니다.
사람을 죽였다 살렸다 한다니 그게 무슨 말이더냐. 널 집안에 두었다간 큰 우환으로 남겠구나. 어떤 일이 닥칠지 모르니 썩 나가거라!
아버지...
나가라는 말을 못 들었느냐? 썩 나가지 못할까?
Jachungbi was once again thrown out of her house. She had to wander around again with no home. But she didn't despair and set out for the kingdom of the Emperor of Heaven, where young Master Moon lived. After many hardships, Jachungbi arrived at the kingdom of the Emperor of Heaven. She finally was reunited with young Master Moon. But in order to marry young Master Moon, she had to go through many trials. To prove herself as a true woman, and to become a brilliant daughter-in-law, she had to pass the many tests that the emperor had set out for her. Cha Chong-bi passed all the tests with wisdom and finally got married to young Master Mun. Cha Chong-bi spent many days in happiness. Then she became guilty about the youngest daughter of the administrator of flowers who was waiting for her, so she sent young Master Mun to her for 2 weeks. But young Master Mun fell in love with her and did not return even after the 2 weeks passed, breaking Cha Chong-bi's heart.
보고픈 문도령아 야속한 문도령아 서천밭 꽃밭 살림 그리도 달콤했나 보고픈 문도령아 야속한 문도령아 무심한 지난 날들 가슴을 파고드네 쓰디쓴 기억이여 서글픈 추억이여 이곳에 다시 오니 더욱더 아프구나 누구를 원망하리 서러운 인연이여 누구를 원망하리 서글픈 인연이여 아름다운 서천
At Cha Chong-bi's plea, young Master Mun came to his senses and returned to his wife. They went through so much to get this far. Although she was sad because of her husband's betrayal, she forgave him because she was the one that chose him. Having overcome another obstacle, their love became deeper. Their devotion for one another became well known. Cha Chong-bi believed that only happy days would be ahead, but she did not realize that there was a group who was jealous of their love and was looking for an opportunity to bring it to an end. In the end, young Master Mun fell into a trap and gets killed.
서방님 서방님 정신 차려요 정신 차려요 서방님 정신 차려요 서방님
She thought that her troubles had come to an end, but here was another tragedy. But Cha Chong-bi did not despair. She set out to the flower garden of Sochon once again. If she wanted to bring her husband back to life, she needed the flower of reincarnation. Her feet felt extremely heavy on the way to the garden, not only because the journey was long and rough, but because of the complicated feelings she had over her relationships and memories related to the flower garden of Sochon.
어여쁜 자청비 총명한 자청비 만생꽃 구하러 서천꽃밭 가네 그 꽃밭 가는 길 여전히 험하네 어여쁜 자청비 씩씩한 자청비 문도령 살리려 서천꽃밭 가네 그 꽃밭 가는 길 여전히 멀구나
At last, Cha Chong-bi arrived at the flower garden of Sochon. The garden was a place where the threads of destiny became strangely entwined. But she had overcome the trials of fate as she frequented the flower garden of Sochon.
아름다운 서천꽃밭 다시 찾은 자청비가 이리저리 얽힌 운명 실타래를 끄는구나. 자청비가 다시 찾은 신비로운 서천꽃밭 문도령님 다시 살린 또한 새꽃 피었구나. 아름다운 자청비여 지혜로운 자청비여 서천꽃밭 얽힌 인간 사랑으로 우는구나.
Having obtained the flower of reincarnation from the garden, Jachongbi brings her husband back to life.
일어나세요. 일어나세요.
여기가 어디요?
서방님, 살아나셨군요.
Not long after young Master Moon was brought back to life, fate threw her another curve. A riot broke out in the kingdom of the Emperor of Heaven. Hearing the news, Jachongbi bravely volunteered to resolve the crisis. From the flower garden of Sochan, Jachongbi brought the flowers of destruction and sprinkled them over the battlefield. Those who had started the riot began to fall one by one. So the war was brought to an end. Full of gratitude, the Emperor of Heaven wanted to give her land and water as a reward. But she refused the gift and instead asked him for the seeds of 5 grains. Returning to Earth, she planted the seeds of the 5 grains and became the goddess of farming. The 5 grains that Jachongbi brought made the lands of Jeju abundant, and the life brought back from the flower garden of Sochan made the nature of Jeju more lush and green. The flower garden of Sochan is a mystical, imaginary place where we can see a glimpse of the Jeju people's vision of the universe and concepts of life. The people of Jeju sought the answer of birth, death, and afterlife from Samsung, the owner of the flower garden of Sochan and goddess of life. Just as it was in the past, Jeju will be full of life from the flower garden of Sochan. Today, tomorrow, and forever. That is why Jeju is the flower garden of Sochan.
이곳은 서천꽃밭 꽃다란 천상의 나라. 이곳은 서천꽃밭 더할 수 없이 넓다란 상상해보고 그 안에 끝없는 우주가 있네. 그 안에 영원한 생명이 있네. 그 안에 끝없는 우주가 있네. 그 안에 영원한 생명이 있네. 제주는 아름답고 위대한 자연 내주는 서천꽃밤 더할 수 없이 찬란한